Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. Hope you're all having a great day, and I truly do mean that. It's that time of month where I go through another bucket of my empties, and I have quite a bit. I am still on my mission of finishing things up, and it's going really well. And I have told myself, you know, there's so many new things that I see and I look and it's like I should have blinders on when I go into any cosmetic department that has skincare, even a grocery store. I have to be careful at all times. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to take the big containers out of here first so everything else doesn't fall. So I will be starting with food items. If you watch my Healthy Zone videos, and I don't know why anybody doesn't watch my Healthy Zone videos, because I do a little healthy smoothie dance for you. But anyway, and I'm going to start switching them up a little bit too, but they are going to remain. I have been using by Primal Kitchen. This is their low carb meal replacement shake. I really like this, and I am not one to normally like chocolate flavored whey protein powders or any type of chocolate flavoring. Like I love chocolate, dark chocolate, but I'd rather have a vanilla cake over a chocolate cake. Strange, I know. And I love vanilla ice cream. Like when we go for custard, you know, we do it maybe once every summer. We'll go get custard, and I love the vanilla. I'm not even interested in the chocolate. So, reason I'm telling you that is this is really a good chocolate protein powder, and this is the chocolate coconut primal fuel. It has coconut fat in it, 5 grams of net carbs. It's gluten free. It only has 1 gram of sugar, only 1 gram of sugar, and it has beneficial prebiotics in it for you. And this is by that man, Mark, what's his name? Mark Sisson, who does the keto diet. Now, I'm not on a keto diet, but I decided I would try a low carb protein powder, and I really do like this one. And I may as well show you that I also love the vanilla, and I order them on Amazon. I will list and link everything below for you so that you can go take a look, read up on it, see if it's right for you. But I absolutely love these. Now, I have not seen them in any store. However, I do buy his mayonnaise, and I also buy some of his salad dressings. They're not all good, but some of them are good. So I really love those. And I finished up a box of these. These are called Retainer Bright Cleaning Tablets. I use these for my Invisalign. Anytime I take my Invisalign out of my mouth, I put it in a dental container and I soak it with these. And like if I get in the shower, I pull my trays out and I clean them. Anytime I brush my teeth, I put them in. I go through a lot of these. And actually Lisa from Lisa D1, she's the one who told me about these because she has Invisalign also. But these are really nice because they don't have a funny taste, and they don't change the color of the tray, which is important. They tell you not to clean them with anything because you could stain the tray. This is actually a blue tablet, and it does not stain the tray at all. So I love these. And I would buy those if you have false teeth. I would buy those if you had like what's it called? A little appliance that you wear when you sleep for TMJ, or these, or just a retainer. Anything you have that, you know, goes in your mouth. I just think the mouth has to be kept clean. It really does. Flossing, brushing, everything. Even though they say you don't need to floss anymore, come on. Have you ever seen the food that comes out of your teeth? I mean, how are you going to get all that out? Anyway, you don't want to hear about that. All right, so I love sugar scrubs. Absolutely love them. I'm always trying different kinds, and I have really found one that I absolutely love, and it can be purchased at Target. Who knew? It is called Raw Sugar Scrub. This is the raw coconut mango. It smells good. They have a Mackay berry or something like that. Oh, that one smells really good too. But I think when I talk about these things, I must have people in my area that watch me, because all of a sudden they sell out. I can go in one day and there's like tons of them, and then there's none. But this is nice, and it's double the size of the other one that I used to use that was $8.99. This one is like $12.99 for the jar. But oh, I really love it. Just love it. I would get it again. I already have a backup. The Love Beauty and Planet. This is the Shea Butter and Sandalwood Majestic Moisture Body Wash. Another Target. You can find this at, I just saw it at Walgreens. My grocery store actually has this. Now, I haven't tried any of the hair, well, that's a lie. No, I haven't tried any of the hair products in this, but I may down the road. But I do love this one. This one is my favorite, the Shea Butter Sandalwood. It just smells really nice, but this is a very creamy wash, and it has all good ingredients in it. I'm going to read right here what it says, because that's really important it should be important to us at all times. But I think with education and research, we're becoming more aware of the things we put on our body. And we're finding more and more good companies like this. And this one here is made with coconut oil, shea butter, ethically sourced sandalwood, plant-based cleansers, mild cleansers, vegan, not tested on animals, sulfate cleanser, parabens, dyes, and gilt. And it's 100% recycled plastic. So I would get this again. I do have some of these back up. When they go on sale, I kind of back up. I kind of get backups on those kind of things. I also love the Nubian Heritage. This is the Raw Shea Butter Body Wash, Age Defying Protecting. This has a nice scent. So did the other one I just showed you. It has a nice clean scent, and it's just really creamy. I really like this. I've been using these products for years, and I will continue to use them. This was something that came out of my Maple Bloom box, and I really like this. It is a limited edition in scent, but I'm not sure about if it's a limited edition product. It's called Oil. I think it's supposed to be oil in a different kind of way. This is a body butter, and it had the scent of orange rose. It was beautiful. It's paraben free. It was a limited edition, but this company is beauty without secrets. No phthalates, parabens, DEA, TEA, MEA, which are all hormone disrupting chemicals. No color pigments, formaldehyde, preservatives, alcohol, mineral oils, PEGs, propylene glycols, sodium lauryl sulfate, triclosan, talc, and petroleum. With my Invisalign, my brain says the word, but my tongue stumbles on the Invisalign. So that's why you'll hear me stumble every now and then. And this is a brand new tray, which is very tight on the teeth, and you almost have to get used to the way your mouth feels inside. So your tongue is hitting, it's just a different sensation, and it does interfere with the speech. Okay, so I absolutely love this. You would put it on, and I think I have a little touch here. It's a cream, but when you put it on, it just has a beautiful oil feel, and a little went a long way. Just fabulous. I don't know if this product is going to be available for us, because it did come in my Maple Bloom box, or Maple Bloom box. So I'm going to check in on that. And then I finished, this is an Everyday Shea hand soap, Mandarin Mango. I've been using these for a very long time. Because I have such dry skin, I try to stay away from sulfates in everything, and this product does not have it in it. They have several different flavors. I finished up another one of my Glycolic cleansers. I absolutely love this one. I will continue to use this one. It is a 10%. This stays in my shower with me, and this is the Glo-Therapeutics. Absolutely love this. It has aloe vera, it has Canadian willow herb in it, and it is just perfect. I put it on my skin and I let it sit while I'm doing something else in the shower, and I practically feel it eating away at all the dead skin. So I will continue to use that. This next product is one that I will never be without. I actually ordered the large bottle, which is $100, and it should last me a very long time, but I have seen such a remarkable change using this product, and it is the lotion P50. This was the W. I actually ordered the P50, and wow, you feel the tingle in that one. 1970, and this is Glycolic Recherche. It is fabulous. You have to order this online, And a lot of people feel like, oh, I don't really like this, it doesn't do anything. You must use it in the correct way. There are a lot of people who use it on YouTube that do not use it in the way that the actual spa people who work for the company say you should use it. And I actually watched the video and learned how to use this product and fell madly in love with it. So I will continue to use this product as long as my mind is still working and can touch the keys to say send my order. Okay? Honestly, I love it. Okay, so the next product is by Moon. And this is called Ayur, and this is the body toning serum. I really like this. I used it on my arms, and even though I haven't been able to work out on my arms, and that's why I can't give you a true 100% review on the NuFace body, because I haven't been able, in order for all of those things to work, you have to eat a healthy diet and you have to exercise. They're not going to work miracles on their own. So now that I'm working out in the pool, maybe I'll be able to do, you know, the NuFace and see results with it, because the face, I see tons of results. But this is another one of those things. This helps toning, and I didn't see any dramatic changes, but I did like it, and I feel that it made the skin on the arms actually look better, and maybe my cellulite stayed under control a little bit. I don't know, but I did like it. Okay? All right, so the next item is this is by Young Living, and this is the Thieves Aromabright Toothpaste. I really do like this and the mouthwash, although I will say, and if any of you are people who sell for Young Living, because I do not, every time I get an order, I don't like that it doesn't come packaged. The oils do, but the toothpaste, the hand cream, and not the hand cream, the hand soap, and my mouthwash, it's always leaking. So you need to address the packing department if you are somebody who works for this company. Other than that, I absolutely love this toothpaste and mouthwash. So, I already have tubes back up. Louis, he finished his Shiseido Benefiance extra creamy cleansing foam. I used to use this all the time when I was younger. I absolutely loved it. If you have a normal combination or an oily skin and you're always trying to dry it out, this does have sulfates. It's gonna do it. But as a dry skin person, I do not recommend this. Or an aging skin. I just don't recommend sulfates anymore. I'm trying very hard to stay away from all products with them. All right, so let's see what else we have in here. I finished up a couple of hair masks. You all know that I hair mask weekly, and I believe in it. And I also do in shower 3 to 5 minute ones a couple times a week, depending on what my hair needs, because the hair must stay healthy. As an aging woman and wearing it long, it must stay healthy. I think all hair should be healthy. I think if you have short hair, you should be masking it weekly. I believe in masking for the face and for the hair. I just do. All right, that being said, I finished up my Pureology Superfood Hydrate. I really like these. Really like these. They smell nice, but they have no harsh chemicals in them, and I really did like this. It's a small jar, but I will say it's very concentrated. You don't have to use a lot. I have a tendency to overuse things because I have a lot of hair and I just want to make sure every strand is covered. But in reality, I really don't need to use as much as I'm using. You can use a very small amount and massage it and work it through, and it will get the job done. So I do like that. And one that I hadn't used in years and years, because I used to use so many of the Lanza products. I haven't used this one in so long, but I forgot how much I loved it. And it is and they did change the packaging on it. That's why I have the box. The box will now look like this color and not this color anymore. But it's the Lanza Healing Hair Care Moi Moi Hair Mask. Deep Moisture Therapy. Smells so good. I absolutely love the smell of it. And I have another jar in the shower already. I absolutely love this. Another product you do not need to overuse. Okay? Love, love, love. Would get it again. Already have. Okay, so I finished up. Oh, I had ordered these on Amazon, and it's the Bella Shea Spa Moisturizing Gel Socks. I wanted to come back and tell you because these are more affordable. they work just as good as the expensive ones. I had bought about 2 or 3 pair. They wash as nice, they hold up as nice, and they get the job done. So I would recommend this brand off of Amazon. All right, let's see what else I have in here. I finished up an Anastasia Brow Wiz in Caramel. It is the only one I will use. I used to use Dior Brow Universal, but this color is more suited for me. But I do like that one too, but I really love this one, and I've been using it for a couple years now. Now I have a couple of products that did not rock my world. Now I just told you how much I love the Raw Sugar body scrub. I thought I would try their healing, this is the Healing Power Ultra Hair Mask. I did not like this at all. It did not, I cannot, don't ever get carpal tunnel or tendonitis, okay? I can't get it open to show you, but this is still full. I'm going to pass it on to someone else. I didn't like this hair mask. I didn't feel that it moisturized, and it did not leave my hair with any shine. And I didn't even feel that it worked through the hair nicely. So I would not recommend this, and I would not get it again, okay? Obviously. A sunscreen by Paula's Choice. I find this to be so uncomfortable to wear. It is so greasy that I just can't get past it. It says that it's a fast drying formula, easily covers hard to reach areas. It may cover hard to reach areas because it is a spray, but it is so greasy. I just can't take it. So I do not like this Paula's Choice Suncare Broad Spectrum SPF 43 Sunscreen Spray for all skin types, for hard to reach areas. Just horrible. It's really greasy. I don't like it. So Paula, I don't like your sunscreen that much. Okay, so this was actually a good product, but I didn't get to finish the whole bottle before it went bad on me. And it is the Sunday Riley Auto Correct eye cream, and it smells so rancid. I could not continue to use it. So I was really disappointed because I did like this. However, I have been using the Drunk Elephant new eye cream, the vitamin C one. Absolutely love it. I will probably continue to use the Drunk Elephant until something new comes along that I love. But I have no intention of trying anything new right now. But this autocorrect really did, it was a nice eye cream. And I used it every morning and every night, and it went bad. I don't know how much is left in here because you can't see, but it really stinks. So not happy with that. And I finally finished up this little lippy from Drunk Elephant. This is nice. It moisturizes the lips, but it didn't do anything in as far as treatment for me. And it's made with her marula oil, but I guess I just need a little something more for my lips, because when I use this one, first of all, I like a lip balm that I actually feel like it's still on when I get up in the morning, because then I know it was there doing its job. It did not last all night like that. And also, I had a lot of dry patches and almost a tendency for my lips to start cracking. So I wouldn't get this again, and you know I love the Drunk Elephant line. I absolutely love it. I use tons of the products, but this one here did not do it for me. All right? So in the comments, let me know what you finished this month, what you were loving, and what you will not get again. And have any of you been using the Sunday Riley eye cream, and did it go bad on you before you were able to finish it? I love hearing if others have had the same experience. I was actually talking to Lisa, and she was mentioning her Tom Ford lipsticks, how they always go bad on her. And I must have 3 or 4 backups of my peach that I love, and I have a Spanish pink backup, and I smell them all the time, and I've never had a Tom Ford lipstick go bad. Now, I don't know, I said to her, maybe it has something to do with the humidity of North Carolina, because I don't live in the same type of climate as her. I also don't carry, I don't put lipsticks in my car, and I also, I carry my lipstick with me. It's the only makeup that I do carry with me is a lipstick, but I don't know how I have been able to do this, but I don't usually wear my lipstick off, even when I eat. I don't know how I do it, because my lipstick's always there. That's it for me today. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.